Right now I'm testing the lowest setting. It is humid outside today. On a day like today, I'll go with the medium heat setting. I haven't been using Dyson Airwrap. What I love about the Dyson Airstrait is that it turns off when I'm putting it, like currently I'm putting it on my legs here, but when I put on like, vanity, it turns off, like it knows that I'm not holding it. So, I mean, honestly, it doesn't really get hot that like, I don't know, it's gonna burn like my legs or my vanity, nothing like that. But it's nice that it turns off, so like it's not as loud. And the other thing is that I can never ever burn myself using it, and it was a constant issue with heat irons. Like I would always just burn my fingers. It looks like it basically detects motion, so if I'm like not holding it, and if I put it somewhere, it turns off within seconds, which is nice. And as soon as you pick it up, it turns on. And as soon as when you close it on your hair, it starts blowing air strongly. So it's really nice design. I'm using it currently on the lowest heat setting. Last time I used it on the medium one, and the first one I think I used it on the highest. I don't remember actually, but yeah, right now I'm testing the lowest setting, and my hair is pretty wet, so you can see it is straightening it, but it's not making it like a super sleek. It's a little puffy still, but I'm kind of curious to test it out. I mean, it is humid outside today, so honestly, on a day like today, I would probably go with the medium heat setting, and it's not a problem. Like if I feel like I need it, I can always just fix it up during the day or the next day, which is nice because you can use it wet or dry. And it's just I could never get my hair as like smooth and sleek and straight with any other tool at home. The only effect like I would get like that, it would be at the hairstylist when they would be styling my hair from wet, and it would always involve a lot of heat damage, unfortunately. So it's very cool that I can do it at home, get the same effect, and minimize the heat damage. So, and it seems like this time, like I feel like I only need like 2 passes, but 3 I would say is max. I don't need more than that. But yeah, something to consider. Honestly, I expected it to work not as good, so I really like it. Since I got it, I think it was like over a week ago, I've been using only Dyson Airstrait to style my hair. I haven't been using Dyson Airwrap. I'm loving it. It's so easy to use. Another thing which I love about this tool is that it doesn't pull my hair. My hair is insanely delicate, and basically any pulling, even if I use Dyson Airwrap to straighten my hair, it always results in so much damage. So I really like that even if I clamp my hair with this Airstrait, it doesn't feel like I'm putting a lot of like pressure on my hair. I don't pull it. It just, I don't know how it does it, but it feels much healthier. Like my hair doesn't get stuck in it, which was again like something I would always have to deal with heat iron. Like my hair would get stuck in between the crevices of the heat iron, and I would have to pull it, and just like, oh, it was a mess. So this is a much better alternative to heat iron. Okay, so on the lowest heat, I would say not so amazed with the results. It still feels wet, so I'm thinking of increasing the heat. Although I wanted to test it out, because when I was using on a high heat and a medium heat, it would keep until my next wash. So it was usually like 3 days, which again, that's another thing which I've noticed whenever I use this Airstrait. As soon as I wash my hair, I maybe wait like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And when I take it off, I style my hair right away. And I think it helps with keeping my hair fresh for longer. I guess my hair just doesn't like to be, sitting and air drying. It just makes it a lot more greasy, and I have to wash it every 2 days. With the Airstrait, like it looks really good for like over 3 days. Like I washed it now today after 3 days, and honestly I felt like I could even go another day, which is insane. Like I haven't been using any other products. The only thing that I changed is the styling with Airstrait instead of Airwrap, and it just, my hair keeps fresher for longer. So okay, change to 230. It's the medium heat. And one more thing, I just remind myself, whenever I would try to shade my hair with Dyson Airwrap, the ends would always be curling, like, and not in a nice way, in the ugliest way possible. Like they would just, I could not get my hair ends straight. And with the Airstrait, like that's the thing, the ends are just so perfectly straight, and I love that look. So yeah, I mean, that's the thing. It makes me feel like I can't get rid of my Airwrap because I love using it for curling my hair and blow drying it. Even though, I mean, you can use this for blow drying, but it's not as strong. But my husband tested because he uses my Airwrap to blow dry his hair, and he said that this Airstrait is not as strong. I mean, he was able to blow dry his hair in like, you know, seconds still, but he said that Airwrap is much stronger. So if you have a lot of thick hair, it will be a pain to blow dry it with this, you know? I mean, I would say it's strong, but he said that it wasn't as strong as Airwrap. So what I'm currently doing, since I use the lowest heat to basically try to straighten my hair from the top to bottom, because obviously the ends are the most delicate since they are the oldest part of my hair, I'm not using the medium heat on the ends anymore since they are already straight. Just this part next to my scalp is a little wet, so I'm using the medium heat to dry it and smooth it out, and I think it's working great. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna start with the lowest heat setting, 175F, and then I'm gonna switch it to 230, which is the medium heat, to just, you know, smooth it out after I'm done with my ends. And I think this way I'm gonna make sure that I apply the, you know, least amount of heat damage I can to my hair. So I like that because I think it's working. As you can see, it's a lot more smooth now, so it looks great. Looks amazing. Okay, I'm done. Again, used only 175, so the lowest heat on the ends, and medium heat just to smooth it out at the end to like the half of my hair. And this is the final effect. I love it. It's so smooth and it feels healthy, which wouldn't be a thing if I would use heat iron. Definitely, I would have like super dry hair ends, and they are very smooth, silky, super soft, and yeah, I love it.
Did you just say healthy-ish?
No.
I thought you said healthy-ish.
What do you think?
Well,
Tell
it's
me.
beautiful. It's better than the Airwrap for sure.
Do you prefer it curled or straight? Are you comparing it to straightening it with the Airwrap or?
Yeah, straightening with the Airwrap.
Yes.
No, it's much better than, like, it looks very professional salon.
Yeah, it feels like it too. Yeah.